Okay, guys, this is Miss Whitworth. I just wanted to give you a heads up on your discussion that you guys have been doing. I really like where a lot of these conversations are going. So if you look at Nevaeh's post, she really connects this to her own personal life, whereas Aaliyah does the same thing. There's one post on here where there are a couple of people who are disagreeing a little bit, but they do it really politely. That is a really good discussion point, too. I just want to make sure that you understand, and this, I don't know if you can see this part or not. Let me move it over. If you look where these are graded, you get a check mark for your original legacy post. So, like, Takaya has made an original post, and then she has, oh, I misspelled this. She has posted on Lanaya's feed, but then also Carter's original post, too. So I've got a couple people who have added on to conversations, but have yet to put their own original post up here. So in order to get all the credit, you need to make sure that you have posted your own original post about the legacy video and then two replies. So there are a couple. Amari has replied to a couple of people, but you need to make it on two different classmates' posts, okay? If you have any questions, let me know.